Tim, after being tossed around by the wind, we'll take some calmer conditions.
Yeah, we'll get a bit of a break from those winds tonight. It'll still be a bit blustery overnight, but look at these wind gusts we saw during the peak of the day today. Near 70 miles per hour Midway, 69 mile per hour gusts, near 50 miles per hour at O'Hare, got up to 55 miles per hour in Kankakee, 51 in McHenry. So you get the idea. A windy end to the weekend. The winds have subsided. The gusts now in the range of around, say 26 to 33 miles per hour. Still strong, but not nearly as strong as what we saw earlier today. Temperatures have dipped down to the low to mid 30s. We topped out in the low 40s, at least during the afternoon hours. We were actually in the 50s right around midnight for the official high today, but we fell during the day. Now we're in the low to mid 30s, 35 degrees at O'Hare, 33 in Aurora, 36 degrees currently in Joliet. And these temperatures anywhere from around 10 to almost 20 degrees colder now compared to this time last night. This is what it feels like when you combine those temperatures with those winds. We've got wind chills now in the low to mid 20s. Feels like 21 in Aurora, feels like 21 degrees currently in DeKalb. Skies clearing out from the southwest to the northeast. High pressure is building in. That deepening area of low pressure that brought us the strong winds moving away, and as high pressure builds in, we'll see the winds continue to relax. At one point, we had about 12.5 states with wind advisories. Only now Michigan is the closest state to us that has a wind advisory. So our real-time satellite radar tracker calls for these skies to clear out tonight. Start off with some sunshine tomorrow. A few clouds build during the afternoon. But it looks like a partly to mostly sunny day. Rain not too far off, just north of us late in the evening. But it looks like we'll get that Bears game in dry tomorrow night. Low temperatures tonight, mid-20s in the outlying areas, 30 degrees at O'Hare, Midway, and downtown. Tomorrow's high temperatures are going to top out about average, right around 50 degrees or the upper 40s at least. And wind gusts, again, between around 30, 35 miles per hour for the next hour or so. Those winds die down early tomorrow morning. They pick back up again during the afternoon tomorrow. Notice the wind shift between 7 and 8 o'clock right at the start of that Bears game. The winds will shift to the northwest. Another cold front coming through. So near 54, so it looks like tomorrow, but then we cool down behind this front on Tuesday. And those winds late tomorrow gusting up to around 30 miles per hour again. So your forecast for tonight, winds diminishing, but still a little bit blustery, blowing out of the west at around 10 to 20, gusting up to around 25 to 30, a low down to around 30 degrees. Clearing out tonight, a lot of sun early tomorrow, then the clouds build during the afternoon. Mostly sunny tomorrow with a high right around 50. Official highs for this time of the year, upper 40s, so we're just a smidge above average. And your 7-day forecast, we dropped to 42 on Tuesday with mostly sunny skies. We're back up near 50 on Wednesday, 60 or above Thursday and Friday, so warm up towards the end of the week. Before that Bears game tomorrow evening at kickoff, it looks like about 43 degrees. A little bit blustery winds, partly cloudy skies for us will dip into the 30s, looks like by the end of the game tomorrow night, Jim.
Tim, thank you.